Welcome back, Crammers, to question 13. Here is the conversion graph to change between Canadian dollars and pounds. Use the graph to change 46 Canadian dollars to pounds. Canadian dollars is given on the x-axis. Halfway between 40 and 50 will be 45. And one after that is 46. We draw a line perpendicular to this value. And then we draw a line perpendicular again until it meets the y-axis. It's halfway between 20 and 30, so that has to be 25. 10 pounds to Canadian dollars. Pounds is given on the left-hand side, and we simply draw a line perpendicular to 10 until it meets the line. Then we draw a line perpendicular again. That's 20 minus 2, so that's 18. Alana is on holiday in London and is going to Paris. She's going to book a hotel in Paris. She knows that 1 pound is equivalent to 1.2 euros. Change 528 euros to Canadian dollars. Canadian dollars is not given in this equation, but it is given in the graph. So we can simply convert the euros to pounds first. So we know that 528 divided by 1.2 will give us our amount of pounds. We can see that 528 divided by 1.2 gives us 440 pounds. 440 pounds. Now, 440 on the y-axis is not given, so we have to simplify here. First off, we can divide 440 by 20, and we can see that 440 divided by 20 gives us 22. The reason we're doing this is because we're trying to make it fit within the graph. This is merely an estimate. So 440 divided by 20 gives us 22 right here, 22 pounds. If we can find out what that value is, if we draw a line perpendicular and perpendicular again, we can see that it is roughly 40 Canadian dollars. But remember, this is a bigger value, so we have to multiply by 40. So we have here 400, we have 440 divided by 20 times 40 gives us 880 Canadian dollars. 880 Canadian dollars. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.